I was gonna throw away all these computers until I found Xtra-PC. All right, if you give me 60 seconds, I'm gonna show you how to fix any slow computer that's broken or old, PC or Mac, and you don't need to hire any expensive technician or buy a new computer or new computer parts, and you don't have to install any crazy software, all with this little USB stick. So this USB stick has an entire operating system on it, and all you have to do to install it is plug it into your USB drive. Then follow the simple directions, reboot, and voila, good as new. So after loading Xtra-PC, I ran a few tests to compare the speed before and after. On the left screen is my computer operating before Xtra-PC, and it took over 41 seconds to open up Microsoft Word. But after Xtra-PC, it only took 2 seconds to load. I was blown away. Just doing a simple task like checking my email took over 14 seconds to load. With Xtra-PC, I was able to log into my email in just 6 seconds. Opening a simple video before Xtra-PC took over 17 seconds. And worst of all, the video playback was terrible. But with Xtra-PC, I loaded up the same video in under a second. I couldn't believe this was the same computer. I just fixed Dad's computer so much faster. Look.
Show me.
Do you see how fast we can just click through these things right now? Hold on, let me play a video.
Whoa. It would take like 5 minutes. That's crazy. That's so fast. Dad is gonna be so happy. He's gonna love it.
We were about to drop another $1,000 on a brand new computer.
I just saved $1,000.
Xtra-PC just saved us $1,000.
Thanks, Xtra-PC.
Look how beat up this laptop is. It's missing a hard drive, but we are gonna test out the Xtra-PC on it and see if we can revive it back to life. All right, so I'm gonna plug in the Xtra-PC just like that. All right, so next we're gonna turn on the computer, see if it turns on. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it's turning on right now. The Xtra-PC is working. It's literally turning on. Bingo. All right, so the Xtra-PC logo just showed up. I'm so excited to see this thing finally boot up. Wow, oh my God, it's working! Oh my goodness. Holy moly, I can't believe this computer actually turned on. It's working. That's insane. That's incredible. Xtra-PC is the real deal. I just tested it out on my wife's laptop from high school and my dad's old laptop that was pretty much busted. This one didn't have a hard drive. This one was super slow, and Xtra-PC literally solved both of the problems. I am just amazed. Both of the computers work lightning fast, like they're brand new, and it was so easy to set up. Look, my dad can set this up, anyone can set this up. It was so simple to use. We're literally about to toss out both of these computers, which would have, cost us an extra $2,000 or more to replace them, and now they're working like brand new. I'm just amazed. My wife is stoked. My dad's gonna be even more happy. Guys, Xtra-PC, it's the real deal. If you have a slow computer and you're about to toss it, don't, because Xtra-PC can save you a lot of money and a lot of headaches, a lot of frustration. Go check it out, guys.